presenting a pre-owned 2022 Chevrolet Colorado LT. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.